In this video, I will show you how to create an interactive button on Figma. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can first head over to our Figma project. And then onto our project right here, just head over and click onto the button that you want to edit. So do take note that you can still create or insert right here a button if you would want. You can just head over and click onto this actions option and then just choosing here an asset like a button that you would want. So just head over and click onto that button and you should be able to have in here this design prototype. So for that, make sure to auto layout it first and then just change its appearance. After you have done that, you can head over and add in here a connection or other variable that you want. But for that, let's head over to our prototype and we have in here our interactions option. So for this, we can have in here this trigger option. So you can choose on click, on drag, but for this one, let's choose while hovering. And let's choose in here an action. You can head over and put right here a variable mode. So for example, click onto this add variable mode and you can head over and add that if you have a professional account. But if you want, you can also choose in here an overlay as well as scroll to options right here. After that, save your progress and you should be good to go.